dishes tonight. I got the fresh bread. I took the zucchini, sliced them nice, dipped them in flour, dipped them in eggs, and then dipped them in Italian breadcrumbs. Now I've got the vegetable oil on the stove, and we're ready to start. I got medium heat, and I'm gonna just put the zucchinis in. I got about 1 inch of oil in there. You want to kind of deep fry them. You don't have to. You can put them in less oil. But I've got a fairly big batch here to go. This is 2 medium-sized zucchini. So I'm going to wait until they're nice and golden brown. I'm going to take them out, and I have this prepared to drain the oil. It's just a wire rack. I got to catch the grease so it doesn't go on the stove, and then it'll drain on the paper towel. They're really quick, really easy to make. They do make kind of a mess, but they're worth it. You just let them fry. They're getting golden. You want them on medium heat so that they cook inside and brown outside. If you put them on too high heat, the oil will just bubble and they'll brown, but they won't cook on the inside. And if you put them on too low of a heat, they will cook, but the outside won't get crispy. So I use medium, a little less, a little more. I adjust it because the oil gets dirty after it gets like crumbs get in the bottom of the oil and it starts to smell. When that happens, I just dump the oil and start again. You see, these will make a nice sandwich because I'm going to slice up some fresh tomatoes and have some fresh Italian bread, and that'll be dinner. So when I bring them out, I'll just show you because I'm going to quit this video because you don't need to watch them cook, all cooked. But when I bring them out, I will set them on here to soak up the oil. And then afterwards, I'll just salt them. And they'll be ready to eat. I like them a little bit more brown than that, but I don't want to keep this video going, so they're coming nice now. Okay, I'll come back with a picture when they're all done. Magic!